Think you need money to make money? Think again. In 2025, you can build real wealth from zero. Broke? In debt? You still have a path. I'm Annie. Here's your step-by-step plan. First mindset. Believe skill beats circumstance. Replace I can't with how can I. Write goals, set deadlines, track progress, feed your brain daily, 20 minutes. Control cash flow, list income and every expense. 50-30-20 as a start, optimize as you grow, automate savings, make it non-negotiable. Cut leaks, small wins, stack fast. Start with skills you have, design, writing, tutoring, or use platforms, delivery, gigs, micro-freelance, niche down. Package one problem, one price. First dollar proves the model. Consistency compounds. Invest small, early, and often. Broad index funds. Automate contributions. Time in market beats timing the market. Reinvest dividends. Let compounding work. The formula: earn more, spend less, invest the gap. Grow skills. Ask for raises, ship value, attack high interest debt. Free your cash flow. Then wait. Patience turns seeds into forests. Daily, learn, earn, save, invest, repeat. Start today. Tiny steps, big outcome. Subscribe for more, follow on IG, and join the Wealth Builders community.